Can you host a live webinar in EverWebinar? If you're wondering whether this platform can help you run live, interactive webinars, stay tuned, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how EverWebinar works and how to get started. So, can you host a live webinar in EverWebinar? The answer is yes, but with a little clarification. EverWebinar is mainly designed to help you run automated webinars that feel like they're happening live. But here's the twist. You can still create a live webinar experience using some clever features that EverWebinar offers. Next, let's talk about what makes EverWebinar different from other platforms. While it's primarily an automated webinar tool, it also has the option to simulate live webinars, allowing you to schedule a pre-recorded webinar and have it run as though it's happening in real time. This gives the illusion of a live event without you needing to be there every time. But if you're set on hosting a truly live webinar, you'll need to use EverWebinar's integration with webinar platforms like Zoom. This allows you to host an actual live session, and it can still look seamless to your audience, as EverWebinar handles the scheduling, reminders, and post-webinar automation. The next thing to keep in mind is EverWebinar's powerful automation features. When you set up your live webinar using the platform's integration with Zoom, you can still leverage all the automated features EverWebinar offers. This means your audience will get reminders, they can see replay options, and you can follow up with them after the event, all automatically. Now, let's talk about one of the best parts of EverWebinar, the flexibility. Whether you want an automated experience that's pretty much set it and forget it, or you're aiming for something that feels live with Zoom integration, EverWebinar allows you to choose what works best for your business. It's customizable enough that you can set your webinars up to match your specific needs and style. Finally, here's a pro tip. You can use EverWebinar completely for free with an exclusive bonus offer. Just check the first link in the description below, and you can get access to a special free trial that'll help you explore all these features and more. So, to sum it up, while EverWebinar excels at automated webinars that feel live, it also allows you to run actual live webinars through Zoom integration. Plus, with its advanced automation tools, you can manage follow-ups and engagement without much effort. Don't forget to grab your extended free trial through the link below and get started with EverWebinar today.